Chief Justice Atherminala. Which of the following respected judge is not member of Special Court in General Musharraf's high treason case? Chief Justice Atherminala. The PSL 5th tournament is scheduled to take place between blank February and March 2020. Pakistan Super League PSL 2020 will be completely held in blank Pakistan. Special Court announced death sentence of General Parvez Musharraf on the 17th of December 2019 under which article of Constitution? Article 6. Three-member Special Court in Musharraf's high treason case headed by blank. Chief Justice of Peshawar High Court. When President Pervez Musharraf resigns from the office? The 18th of August 2008. Pakistan will host South Asian Games in 2021. How many times Pakistan have already hosted these games in Islamabad? 2. According to the Article 45 of Constitution, who possess the constitutional right to pardon a death row defendant? President of Pakistan. When RTD, General Pervez Musharraf takes oath as a civilian president? The 29th of November 2007. Special Court announced the death sentence of General Parvez Musharraf on the 17th of December 2019, consisted on how many judges? 3. Former military ruler retired Gen Pervez Musharraf currently residing in Dubai, UAE. He left Pakistan on account of medical treatment in blank. March 2016. According to High Treason Punishment Act 1973, the punishment for high treason is death sentence or life imprisonment. According to Global Gender Gap Index Report 2020, Pakistan ranked at which point out of 153 on Global Gender Parity Index? 151. Pakistan will host next South Asian Games in 2021. In which year Pakistan hosted these games last time? 2004.